too. These old roosters keep me going, y'all. Today what we're doing is some Dutch oven cooking and a little bit of camp stove cooking right here. This is an old antique Sears stove, and I got it out from a flea market find, and I sure am proud of it. It's been around a long time. Okay, what we're doing today, we're gonna do some Dutch oven peach cobbler. Simplest, easiest peach cobbler you've ever made in your life. The only ingredients you need is a rooster. No, the only ingredients you need is really some spray for the pan or butter, cake mix, your filling, your peaches, and a little bit of cinnamon put on top. Of course, you got to build a fire and get you some ashes, some coals. Other than that, that's all you got to have. Simple. I'll show you how we do it. And this here is something I wanted to bring to you today, because down here in the South, we've been influenced by a lot of Hispanics that come to work around here and live, okay? They also incorporate their food and bring it in when they come in. One thing I really like about their culture is their food. I like their language as well, but their food, I'm telling you, you know, big boy like me like to eat. Well, one thing that's really good, every time I go to the flea market, I get a cup of corn. The corn they make, they boil it in some butter. They put some mayonnaise in it. They put some Parmesan cheese in it and some hot sauce, which I've got some Valentina today. But they also use tapatio, or some people call it tapatio. It's a different kind of hot sauce. You could use Texas Pete if you wanted to. But we're going to show you how we do that today. And I'm telling you, I get that every time I go to the flea market. It's awesome. It is awesome. $3.50 a cup. But I get it anyway because it's awesome. But you can make it at home a whole lot cheaper. I'm going to show you how. Y'all stick around. Calvin's Corner 72 got the fire going. Let's get to cooking. All right, y'all. It's real simple to do. I'm using a 10-inch Dutch oven today. You can use a 12 or whatever. You could probably even use an 8-inch Dutch oven for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it down real good. And I'm using butter spray. Okay. We want to empty our contents of our peaches in here. This is two 16-ounce, or say 21-ounce cans. Two 21-ounce cans. Okay, once you get all the peaches in the Dutch oven, simply open up your cake mix and spread it on. This is so easy, even I can do it. You can use yellow cake mix or whatever color cake mix you want. Just kind of spread it out on the top. And of course, put some cinnamon on it if you like cinnamon. If you're not allergic to cinnamon. If you are, don't do it. And that's it. We're putting the lid on her. We're going to put her on the fire. About 35 minutes. Should be ready. That's all it should take right there. About 35 minutes. Start your timer. And I did not preheat the oven. All right, y'all, we're gonna get this corn going. First thing I do, got my gas turned on. Fire it up. And as y'all see, I've got corn in here and butter already. That's about a half a can. And I got another can. Leave all the juice in there you can. Let's get it cooking. Hey guys, I really enjoy y'all coming by watching me do all this cooking and stuff. It's a lot of fun to me. I love getting outside, getting outdoors in my backyard mostly, because it's a lot to carry all this to the woods somewhere and then pack it all back home. So I do a lot of my cooking here at home. Who knows, in the future I may do some cooking on a camp next time I go out. And but you know, it's a lot to carry all your camping gear, and then you got to carry your Dutch oven and all your utensils. So the next time you see somebody's video that's outside and they're at a campsite and they're doing Dutch oven cooking, or they're doing cooking in general, just please remember to give them a thumbs up, because I'm sure it took a lot to do that. And I hope y'all enjoy this today. Try this out, this corn in a cup. I'm telling you, it is awesome. It fills you up. It's a sweet thing. You know, if you're a diabetic, I understand you probably can't, you know, there's too much sugar. But it's just really good. I really enjoy it. One day I'm probably not going to be able to eat it no more. You know, who knows. But I really like it. And I'm glad it came to town via the Hispanics. I give them the tip of the hat and the thumbs up for sure. It's one of my favorites, y'all. And if you try it, let me know what you think about it. You know, put the Parmesan cheese to it, put the mayonnaise to it, and all I had was, you know, this kind of mayonnaise. I really like Duke's mayonnaise, but I didn't have any. I'm out. And I like Valentina. I really do like Valentina. I don't know if y'all like that, but I do. And Tapatio is really good. Tapatio. It's that bottle that's got the blue-eyed Mexican on it. Oh, yeah. Blue-eyed Mexican. Yo quiero maíz aquí en la esquina. That means I want some corn right here on the corner. In Spanish. Don't be making fun of my Spanish. It's redneck Spanish too. No, I meant it's hillbilly. Oh yeah, she's coming to a boil now. I'm gonna let this boil for about 10 minutes. We got about 25 more minutes on the Dutch oven. And you know, it's gonna be awesome, y'all. We're gonna have some peach cobbler on the corner. Some corn on the corner. Hey, everything was starting with the C's again. Corn on the corner, cobbler on the corner. Calvin's corn cemetery, baby. Y'all stick around. Goodness is just around the corner. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it won't be long now. By the way, y'all, if you're doing any Dutch oven cooking, if you need some utensils, if you need some supplies, Dutch ovens, cookbooks, tools, you name it, I've got a link and I'll put it down below. And if you put Take 5, T-A-K-E 5, you'll get 5% off of anything that you use. That click on that link and you're going to go to Camp Made. That's right, campmade.com. And through that link, you'll be leaving me just a little bit of money, so you know I can keep cooking and doing things around here. And you'll be getting some awesome gear from Camp Made, and I really appreciate this, Camp Made. Thank you so much. And they give me a little promo code to give to y'all. So if you put Take 5, you'll get 5% off of your whole order. And that's straight from Calvin's Corner 72 via Camp Made. Thank y'all. I appreciate it. Y'all get down there and click on it. Get you some stuff. Get out here and start cooking. You enjoy it. All right, y'all. Bless you done. Time to get me some of this cup right here. Oh yeah. I can't wait. I love this stuff, y'all. Let it drain off a little. I like to get about half a cup. And I actually tell them this too. I said, do about half a cup. So they'll put me a little bit of Parmesan in there. Slap me a little mayonnaise in there. Just a little bit. Get out the hot sauce. Put some hot sauce in there. Go right back. Look at that, y'all. Check it out. Look in there. Can y'all see the goodness? Oh, yeah. And then, go back. A little bit more corn. Oh, yeah. It's hot, too. They use styrofoam cups. A little bit easier on your hands. Parmesan cheese. A little bit of mayo. A little bit of hot sauce. And that's it. It's done. Check it out. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Oh my God. Well, I don't know how well y'all can see me right there. I know you can hear that rooster. But anyway, this right here is to die for. You know, it don't look that good once you mush it up a little bit. But I absolutely love this. Y'all, if you'll get a chance to try this, look at that. Look at the goodness. Kinda hot. A little heavy on the hot sauce, but I like it. Usually when we go to the flea markets early in the spring like this, on Saturday mornings, it's kind of chilly out there and it's nice to walk around with a good warm cup of great corn. Y'all try this and let me know what you think about it. All right, y'all, sometimes it's good to rotate. Because, you know, you got these coals in here and there might be hot spots. You don't want that. Just kind of rotate that Dutch around a little bit like that. And rotate the lid a little bit. And that way you keep it all evened out. There ain't no hot side and cold side. Oh yeah, it's time. Okay guys, as always, use your protective equipment, and y'all are going to see it at the same time I'm seeing it, because I haven't touched it. I have no idea what she's going to look like. And I hope it's not burnt. It shouldn't be. It's not supposed to be. Let's check it out. Holy moly. That actually looks pretty daggone good right there, y'all. Let me get off these coals. Oh my, my, my. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me set y'all up. All right, y'all. I tell you what, I'm super stoked about trying this. Oh, I can't wait to get into this. I hope y'all try this. My goodness, that looks good. Listen, when you take your lid off, be careful because there's a little bit of ashes right in here. I didn't do it, but take you a little brush and knock off, or something and knock the ash off before you take the lid off, because I got a little bit in here, but I took it out. Oh man. Here we go. I'm going in. Golly, this looks good, y'all. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's food porn right there. That is food porn. God. And y'all, we can do this. We can do this at the campsite. I mean, you can do this here at your home. You can do this on your stovetop. You don't have to do it outside in the, outside like this, but man, I just love it. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful day, spring. And look at this. I mean, come on. If that don't look good now, it's out of this world. It smells out of this world. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get a little bit of that peach, a little bit of that cinnamon. Look at that, y'all. Oh God. Bottoms up. Oh my God. This won't last no time. My boys will have this gone. As soon as they figure it out, it's in the refrigerator. Y'all go try this out, please. Try this out. It's a little sticky. Y'all try this out. This is the easiest Dutch cobbler, peach cobbler. I mean, you can make a cherry, you can make an apple, you can make anything. But I wanted to make the peach because I had never done a peach cobbler here. And I am in the peach state, Georgia. So I appreciate it. Y'all come by and see me at the Cabin's Corner, see me too. Try the corn in the cup. Let me know what you think about it. Remember now, if you need some camp-made Dutch ovens and some tools and supplies, take 5. Click on the link below. Get all you need. Helps me a little. And you get what you need. I appreciate it. Come back to see me. It's the Cabin's Corner, see me too. Check out all of my other Dutch oven videos. I'll have a box up here somewhere. Y'all can click on it. Check them out. I'm sure you'll agree. I've done a little bit of cooking.